Hello, welcome back to the channel. Do you know you can create an entire presentation under 1 minute from slides, titles, bullet points using Google's AI? From creating the prompts to creating the entire presentation, I will show you exactly how to use Gemini inside Google Slide to create a professional presentation. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for us. Let's dive in. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. It helps you write, design and organize contents and is built right into Google Workplace tools like Docs, Gmail and Slides. It helps you write, design and summarize, and now you can create presentations directly inside Google Slides. First, open G Slides, then click the Ask Gemini button at the top right, the side panel. Then go to slides.google.com and open a blank presentation. Now, tell Gemini what you want. The clearer you are, the better your slides will be. Example, say create a 10-slide presentation on digital marketing for beginners. Gemini creates your title slide, section headers, bullet points, and sometimes even speaker notes. Think of this as your first draft, not the final version. Gemini gives you a full draft, but you are still in control. You can edit, change colors, adjust layers, and add your own branding. You can refine your slides by giving Gemini follow-up instructions. Example, make this more visual. Simplify this for students. Add speaker notes. You can paste your content and ask Gemini to turn it into slides. Once you are done, download your presentation as PDF or PowerPoint or share it directly with your team. This is perfect for students, teachers, business owners, marketers, trainers, or anyone who makes presentations often. Now, some common mistakes to avoid. Don't use vague prompts like make slides. Be specific about the topic, your audience, your tone, and the length of your presentation. And just like that, you have created a professional presentation using AI. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button.